guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing great. So I'm in Bangalore. I'm in Delhi right now. I think I reached yesterday. So after I reached, I went to Aine to shop some few clothes with my friend, but she's shy. So we bought some few clothes. So without further, let me show you guys. So oh my god, Delhi is so crazy hot. So let me show you mine first, okay? So we bought very less, again maybe I think we'll go tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So because I know it's very hot, you guys will think that why I bought jacket, but this is for winter, because so gross, so we just bought some few stuff. So this is jacket. But I like this jacket. No, the quality is not that much good, but fine. So this is 300 rupees. I bought two jacket, long jacket coat. So this is the one. This is nice. I didn't like this one. Okay. So don't think that I am going to wear this. I will wear it in summer. I'll wear it in my village. So I bought this to 300, 600 rupees. Okay, this is mine. And this is the brand, 200 rupees. Okay. And then what is next? Okay, this shirt one. Okay, this also 100 rupees. And this also 100. And this one 3. I think I bought 5. This top. And even this top 5 piece, 500 rupees, 100 bucks. Then this also 100 bucks, 100 rupees. 1, 2, 3, I think 4. Okay, this is 100 bucks, 4 piece, 100 rupees. And then I think this is compliment, right? But this they give compliment free. This is for my daughter, because of course it will not fit for me. Okay. Yeah, this Fendi are 100. Okay, this small thing. This bra, I think 350. This also very dirty. After wash, then only I can wear. Okay, I think for me, okay, that's it. So let me show my friend what she bought. She's shy. Okay, she bought, but this I like, and even I like this. 100 rupees wala. Ye bhi 100. So 300. And then 200, huh? Yeah. She bought this skirt, but nice. 300, 200 or 200 rupees. Then for her this bag 300 rupees, but nice. The color also colorful. Okay. Then she also bought, I think for her or I think for her sister. This also 300, which I bought the same shop. She said she don't want, but I said 300 rupees is nothing, you just buy. It's not expensive. And then this is 200, only 200 for winter. Which we bought from Ines. This is the most expensive. This is not for me, this is for my best friend. She came from Gujarat. Because yesterday is her birthday. I give her a gift. I'm just kidding. She bought herself. This is 1600, okay, but I really like the quality because this is not heavy. I love this. So this is 1600. This is the most expensive, which we bought from INA. But this is not like that normal, okay? This is the expensive one and good quality. Okay, that's it for today. So if this is for her bag. She said, this is 350, yeah. This is 80 rupees, you know, those staying in Delhi, they are very cheap. But actually yesterday we went, I think 4:30, we went very late, so we can shop more. So maybe if possible, if we are still here, we'll go maybe next time. Okay, for today, the haul is done. Okay, so we'll see you next video. Bye bye. Have a good day. Very hot here in Delhi.